what else in the line, y'all. What's up with it? Let me see what the hell. YouTube versus TikTok. I got 557 on TikTok. Hey, my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all check out my my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Racing, 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 racing. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Racing, 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 racing. Check out my YouTube channel. That's where I want you to go. Cause I'm trying to get my subscribers up. You already know. I done raced this car before. I done made me a video. I want you to go on my channel to watch it though. Watch it though. Hey, let's do it right now, y'all. Let's do it. Hey, come on, let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Hey, let's fucking do it. Hey, come make a pass. Come make a shakedown. Hey. Every time they put it in drive, it goes dead. If this is my uncle, he would have revved the shit out of it. Cleared that carburetor out. Okay, we got it now. Third time is a charm.
Say it don't do no better than 72. I told him let's do it on the trailer. He said, no, he was mad. Yeah, that's it. I got 500 on it. I don't give a damn who drives.
What'd you say, Gerald?
Put them all on that motherfucker ain't gonna make no difference.
Boy, that dude said put some water down. Gerald said, man, you can put some oil on that motherfucker. It ain't gonna make no difference. Boy, now that's something to make me laugh, boy. Oh, God damn. Let me get out the damn way. Watch out, man. Watch out. Look out, man. I'm trying to. God damn. They must have turned the fan on.
Nah, get your ass.
I was thinking I was having problems. He up there with me.
Let Wayne drive. Let Wayne drive.
Oh shit. Oh, that's who they had in there. Yeah, that's why he couldn't get the damn thing.
Let me talk.
Okay, he finna show y'all how to do it, y'all. He know how to drive it. He finna show y'all what to do. Oh.
I don't tell you. The white stuff, baby. I'm all the way over. I'm all the way over.
Damn, they fired the driver before he made a pass. Yeah. Driver mod. I like the way this thing been camming lately. They done bought a cam for somebody, bad motherfucker. This thing here spitting it out. They done bought something. Somebody said same. Hey, look out. You ready to see some good racing? Sure. Okay, she ready, y'all. She on my YouTube channel, y'all. She been subscribed for a minute. Yeah, she subscribed. Yeah, my boy right here, boy. I like that cam.